Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Soon I'm climbing all 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side. All day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, still missing you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, still missing you. Hey, yeah. I'm still missing you. Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side. All day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way, yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, still missing you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, still missing you. Yeah. I'm still missing The floor is cold, it chills my bones.
You've been looking for someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one. Yeah, 'cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do.
guys, oh my god, guys, look at my face. Do you notice something? It's gone. The string, look, the string fell off when I was sleeping. The string fell off in bed, and look, the thing is gone. There's nothing there. It used to be somewhere here. You see here where you see like a little bump, but it's nothing. It's nothing. Okay, this is just a birthmark. What you see here, that's a birthmark. It's not a skin tag or anything. It's not a bump or anything. It's all nice and smooth. Look, it's gone. It's gone. It's like it was never there. It's like nothing was ever there, guys. This is a miracle. Like, look, there's the string. It fell off when I was sleeping in bed. It just fell off. Look, there is totally nothing. Like there was never there. You see, it was supposed to be here, right here. I will put a picture of where the string was before, so you can just double check. But guys, it's gone. The skin tag is gone. Nothing. So guys, this works. This definitely works. I can tell you that I've tried it, I've tested it, and it works. I cut a string from my sewing machine, and this is it. This is the whole magic.